Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clear chat in Instagram from both sides. The easiest way, okay. So first of all, let's go ahead into the Instagram app and of course log into the account that you actually want to use in order to delete chats a lot or rather from both sides on Instagram and choose a person that you actually want to. So I have chosen this guy. Alright, so how do you actually read this all at once? You may ask me. Well, we have I think only the one way to delete a rather to delete this from both sides, since that's what we want to do and that's what I am going to show you. Okay, so the first thing is to actually long press and it's going to show you three options: reply, unsend and more. We want to delete this from both sides. What we want to click on is unsend, and that's basically going to unsend that message, but not only from you, also from the other user, which is amazing and which is also our goal. So if you actually want to delete or unsend or whether delete it from both sides, just delete all of them, unsend this as well, and now you have deleted the chat. Basically it's not even in your history anymore because you have deleted the chat from both sides, from both sources, from both user, using of course only one device. So this was a process by which you can clear chat in Instagram from both sides. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.